morning, boys and girls, and once again, we've got some more review with another quick check today. So, how can you use different math strategies to solve problems? How can I show my thinking on math work? So, daily objective. Students will use previously taught strategies to show mastery of math concepts. So, like yesterday, we've got a few strategies, different numbers. So we've got 2 of the same one, 2 of another one, and 2 of the last one. So we're going to work through one example of each together. Then you can work through the second example independently at home before you work on your quick check. So task 1. 5 kids played on the playground. I like to circle my numbers when I'm reading through the problems so I know what I'm working with. 4 more children joined them. How many are on the playground now? Show your thinking with pictures, numbers, or words. So on a problem like this, there's a number of different math strategies that you could use to solve this equation. One of my favorite strategies is the part-part whole. So that's what I'm going to use. So I know 5 played on the playground and 4 more joined them. I want to know how many are on the playground all together. So I know that I've got 5 that need to go in this first box and 4 that need to go over here. If you can't do 5 plus 4 on your fingers or in your head, that's okay. I can draw a picture underneath to help me solve. So I've got 5 that were already on the playground and 4 more that joined them. So I can count up in order to solve. So I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my part whole is complete. You can go ahead and add a equation to the side, but it doesn't ask you to do all of those things. You can show me your thinking with a picture. This is a picture because that's a strategy. If you want to show it with numbers, you might write an equation. If you want to show it with words, you might find another way to show it with words. So I know that there are 9 children playing on the playground because 5 plus 4 equals 9. So there's your second example. Similar but different numbers. So make sure you change up your numbers when you do your work. Oh, this one. It looks the same, but it's different because listen, 15 children are on the playground. 7 of them are on the swings, and the rest of them are playing tag. How many are playing tag? So this one is going to be subtraction because I just want to figure out how many are playing tag. So for this one, I'm going to do a number line. When I'm subtracting on a number line, I'm going to come all the way down here and I'm going to start with my highest number and I'm going to go back a few spaces. And then I'm going to label them. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So I know I need to start at 15 because that's how many are on the playground all together. 7 of them are on the swing, so I'm going to count back. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know just by looking at my number line that 15 minus 7 is going to equal 8. So that means that there are 8 children playing tag. Let's erase so we can move on. And there's a similar example with different numbers where you're going to subtract. And on the last slide it says, there are 9 apples in the basket. Some are red and some are green. How many red and how many green are there? Show one way that there could be some red and some green. So if I had 5 red apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to go ahead and put 5 on that line. up until 9 in order to figure out how many I can have that are green. I only have 9. I don't have any more than 9, only 9. So I know that 5 are red, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if 5 are red, then I know that 4 must be green in order to equal 9. You need to show one more way down at the bottom. After you have shown your 2 ways, you are going to go to your student sheet, and you've got 3 questions that you need to complete. You need to decide, there are 2 birds in a tree, 3 more to fly to the tree. How many are there in all? 13 apples are on the table, 6 of them are red and the rest are green. How many are green? And the last one, there are 10 cars in the parking lot. Some of the cars are red and some of the cars are black. How many red cars and how many black cars could be in the parking lot? This is your quick check. This should be completed independently. Have a great